Alpha Trade Report for May 4th, 2017. We've had a busy day making approximately 11 trades. First SPY just hasn't gone anywhere. Again, likely this mini bull flag will break out maybe Friday or next week. The first trade we got into was VOYA. Alpha members were alerted to short VOYA at the open this morning. So you could have gotten in maybe around 37.50 or if you're lucky, maybe 37.80. VOYA had a very obvious support here, which failed a month ago. Did a rounded retest, failed on a retest with very high volume, and now appears to be making its way down. So you'd be up at maybe 3-4% already in one day. Next trade was PACW. PACW is just making a downtrend, and so we shorted on this downtrend line. Appears to be rolling over. Members were alerted to short at the open, so you'd be up about 1-2% today. Next trade is MDR. This is another short. MDR formed a bear flag, and a week ago, it had a failed breakout on earnings with very high volume. So this is a very bearish sign. So members were alerted at open to short MDR. So you would have probably shorted maybe 6.4. So that would get you up maybe 1% today. Next trade is CBPX. Again, another bear flag, a consolidation, which had failed today. Members were alerted to short at open or near open around 23.924. So you'd be up about 3 or 4% in one day as well. Next trade is FRAN. FRAN is yet again another short. It's in a down channel, which appears to be rolling over. So members were told to short near close today. Next trade is ASB. ASB is a financial sector. It had broken out of its falling trend 2 weeks ago and has been in a consolidation bull flag. It broke out of bull flag yesterday, and the bull flag has held today, so you could get in tomorrow or the day after and just go long. Now we're going to go over the stocks that we stopped out on. So CNEX had a bull flag and it broke out. Unfortunately, this big candle here took us out pretty close to the open. So members would have gotten out with a small 5% loss somewhere around here. It is possible that it'll retest this trend line and then continue up, but we're going to wait about a week or two and just see what happens. Next trade is GMLP, another stock we stopped out on. We had gotten in on this trade almost 2 weeks ago and just started writing it up. Unfortunately, earnings was less than stellar, which caused a major sell-off. Members would have stopped out early this morning, and if you factor in the dividend, members would have lost approximately 1.3%. So a very, very tiny loss on this trade. Next trade we stopped out on was HES. Again, a very small loss. We took a 3% loss here. Earnings again was not so stellar. It's been a sell-off since. So it's back at support again, which means that support will likely fail over the next month or two if it doesn't immediately bounce. Next trade we stopped out on was Tesla. I had recommended a few days ago to get on Tesla around here on anticipation of a breakout, or if you wanted to wait till the breakout happened to open the very next day. Unfortunately, the breakout failed and sold off. Members would have gotten out pretty much at the open based on our recommended stops and alerts. So you would have taken a very small 2.7% loss on Tesla.